We're going to start with looking at two ways to solve inequalities. Okay. Before we get started with that, though, I'd like to just talk about what an inequality is. Okay, so when we say inequality, what that means is it is a number sentence or math sentence containing less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. Okay, so that's a math sentence containing less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So it's going to have one of those following symbols. So we don't want to get that confused with an equation, which would have an equal sign. Okay, so an equation has an equal sign. An inequality has either a less than, greater than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to symbol. All right, so as I said before, there's two ways of solving inequalities. Okay, so there's two ways to solve inequalities. All right, our first way is to solve by addition. So solve by addition. And the second way that we'll look at today is solving by subtraction. Okay, so our first way is solving by addition, and we're going to look at that now, and then we'll look at how to solve by subtraction. Okay, so solving by, I know I said addition, and I started to write subtraction there, so let's fix that. Okay, so solving by addition. So here's our inequality. We have x minus 12 is greater than or equal to 7. Okay, our goal is to get a variable and then equal, greater than or equal to a number. So variable, and we want to have a number in this place here. And of course this could be reversed. Okay, so to do that we need to get one side of the greater than or equal to sign by itself, just like we would with an equation. So we're going to use addition. If we add 12 to both sides, we get that x by itself. So we have x minus 12 plus 12 is greater than or equal to 7 plus 12. Okay, negative 12 plus 12 is 0, so that is canceled out, and we have x is greater than or equal to 19. Okay, so our solution is all numbers greater than or equal to 19. All right, let's go ahead and look at one more with addition, and then we'll move on to subtraction. So if 22 is greater than m minus 8. Okay, so we're going to use addition. We're going to add 8 to both sides. Okay, and what that's doing is getting m by itself. So I added 8 here, and I'm going to add 8 over here as well. Okay, that cancels out, and 22 plus 8 is 30. So we have 30 is greater than m. Okay, you can you could rewrite this as m is less than 30 if you wanted to reverse it. Either way is correct, but just to write it out, it would be all numbers less than 30. Okay, all numbers less than 30. Okay, our second way of solving inequalities is to solve by subtraction. So let's take a look at that now. So our second way is to solve by subtraction. So our first example, we have m plus 19 is greater than 56. Okay, we're trying to get m by itself, so we're going to use subtraction. That's the opposite of the addition there. So we have m plus 19 minus 19 is greater than 56 minus 19. Right, the 19s on the left side will cancel out, and we are left with m is greater than 37. So we would write that as all numbers greater than 37. All right, let's go ahead and do one more together. I'm going to write the problem, and if you want, I'll pause for a moment if you want to give it a try on your own, and then we'll work it out together here. We have p plus 8 is less than or equal to 18. Okay, and we want to solve this by subtraction. So I'm going to pause here for about 30 seconds and let you give that a try. Okay, so let's go ahead and work it out, see if you got this right here. Okay, so we're going to subtract 8 from both sides of the inequality. So we have p is less than or equal to 10. P is less than or equal to 10. Okay, so just writing it out in a sentence here, we have all numbers less than or equal to 10. All numbers less than or equal to 10. Okay, well that covers our introduction to inequalities. Thanks for watching and hope you have a wonderful day. See you later.